Alright, I apologize. I'm a little drunk. When I left you guys, I think we're about to add the sriracha sauce in there. I'll put a little bit of that in there. Make that nice and good. And the next part you might be wondering is, what was this measuring cup for? Well, I'm about to show you. It takes a little while for this stuff to boil. So what I like to do while I'm waiting, just kind of pour this in there, like so, and chug me a beer. So that's the end of that. Next thing I like to do is kind of rate my fridge, see how many beers I have left. You always want a few beers with your ramen. One, two, don't need that. Don't need that. Ugh, what is this? Got this in there. I don't know how long ago this was in there, but real fruity drink. It's okay, I'm gonna drink a little bit of it. Maybe pour it in there. Ramen. Yeah, a little bit of flavor, whatever you want. Like adding anything I have in the fridge, makes it adventurous, gives it some exotic taste. And after that, we're good. Kind of kick that off there. We got our ramen bowl here. You can use any bowl as long as it's deep. I like to have a deep bowl for my ramen. Pour it in there, like so. And you got yourself a nice little ramen bowl. Kind of gourmet looking. Don't need a microwave. Thanks for watching.